everybody, it's Amanda.
It's Mike.
And it's
Josiah.
And we've got another room tour. And you guys already know Josiah's gonna be the one giving it. Show us everything. Start right here in the front.
What's all this stuff?
Open up the door, see what's in there.
Look in the cabinets.
Oh, you want to show the closet first? Yep, there's a closet.
Alright, are you not doing this or are you all done?
No.
What?
No.
Okay, well, I'm going to just do a tour then.
Okay, well, we've got fridge, a safe. No, you didn't want to do it.
Mirror.
Some cabinets.
Mirror.
Got a nice little coffee maker. Mirror. Hello, everybody. Another mirror. Hello again. Then you've got your towels. Josiah, what's in there?
Yeah, but it makes noise though.
It's okay. What's in there?
A shower and a toilet.
And a toilet. Let's got a nice big glass shower. One of these slides. We'll figure that out in a minute. You got your shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel.
I'm just fine.
Oh, I figured it out, buddy. Hold on. Move this. Okay. There you go. Alright, well, leave that on the floor. That's for on the floor.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Well,
have to like get more. I have to like that. I have to get like that.
perfect. Good job. Alright, now go show us the bed. Doing the wave on the bed there, dude?
Yeah.
What size bed is that, Josiah?
All three of us.
No, you're gonna sleep on the pull-out couch. What size bed is that?
You were too.
It's a king size.
Yeah. I want to be on that one.
And you got a nice little table set up. You've got the chair, or you've got the couch that pulls out, and we'll pull that out for him to sleep on for the next few nights. Got your TV, your dresser. And then,
What?
come here, I gotta show you something. Ah,
The porch.
a porch.
Yeah, Mom, sitting here.
With the best view of all, the parking lot. But that's okay. We don't need a good view. We're not going to sit out here anyway because it's hot.
I think it's real. I think I like it.
Oh, you like the view?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
So, the door opens, so I told you that. Let's go back in.
Okay, let's go back in. Yeah,
What does it say right there?
that says no smoking on balcony. A $250 smoking fee will
Whoa.
be applied for non-compliance. So what do you think of the room, Josiah?
Yeah.
You think it'll do? Daddy, do you like the room? You think it'll
Yeah,
do?
I always like the room here. This is the second time I've been here.
Look up there, Mommy.
Oh yeah, that's some artwork. You're right. Yeah, we've been here before, haven't we?
Yeah, but there's a different number though.
Yeah, we had a different room last
Yeah,
time.
look, there's even lights.
Yeah. So we've actually stayed here at the Wyndham Grand before, about a month ago.
Yep.
And we just stayed in a 2-queen, no balcony room. I feel like the balcony's nice. It's too hot to go out, but
It's not a very good look. I mean, it looks right into the parking garage, but hey.
you know, it's a nice option if you need to like go out and take a phone call or something. Josiah's turning on every single light. But I'm really excited because they have like, what, 7 different pools or something like that? Maybe not 7,
Well, they have a whole bunch of pools because it's not just this hotel. There's like 8 hotels that are all Wyndham hotels. Different levels of
yeah, there's
cost.
Yeah, so you've got your Wyndham, you've got the club level, and then you've got like the just the Wyndham Grand. Uh-oh. So we've stayed here before. Mike actually really enjoyed the bar when we were here the last time, right, honey?
Yes, it was very good.
So maybe he'll go and do that again. But we will.
I forgot my ID.
Oh, that's right. He forgot his ID. But maybe we will take you guys around the resort, because I personally think this is a great option for an off-property hotel. It's in the Bonnet Creek area, so it's right by Disney Springs.
There he is.
They do have bus transportation to the parks, obviously Disney Springs. But there is another Wyndham that we've stayed at previously when we first moved here that was nice, so maybe we can use our Wyndham rewards towards that someday again.
Yeah. This one's way nicer than that one though. This is, for us, this is our favorite, so far our favorite off-property resort. This place is clean, it's super nice. There's
the people are great.
So much to do. Everybody here is super nice.
They have 2 lazy rivers and a mini golf course, and I think they have an arcade, but we don't want to say that too loudly.
Yeah, we've walked by it, but he didn't see it.
Because he'll want to do it. Him being Josiah.
Bunch of restaurants.
Yeah, there's like 4 or 5 different restaurants. They apparently have macarons.
Playground.
They've got macarons somewhere that I really need to go and try. That was like my goal. So yeah, we'll bring you around and show you guys the rest of the hotel and such. Maybe in this video.
No, probably in a separate video.
Okay, in a separate video.
In the next video.
There you go. So we will definitely bring you guys around the rest of the hotel and show you guys the pools and the restaurants and all that kind of stuff in the next video.
So if you guys want to watch that video, click right here.
Yeah, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
Peace.
Bye.
Say bye.